Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you the simplest way to install the latest version of Windows 11 without needing a USB drive and without losing any of your data. This method works perfectly on both supported and unsupported hardware. So without further delay, let's dive in. Let's install the PC Health Check tool to see if our PC supports Windows 11 or not. Open your web browser and search for PC Health Windows 11 download. Click the first Microsoft link that appears. Then scroll down and click on the download link. This will start downloading the setup file to your computer. Once downloaded, select Open and follow the on-screen steps to install the application. After installation, open the PC Health Check app and then click on Check Now button. As you can see, my PC doesn't currently meet the Windows 11 requirements, but no worries, we are going to bypass that and install Windows 11 on this computer. The first thing you need is the Windows 11 ISO file. Open any web browser and search for Windows 11. Click on the official Microsoft website. It is usually the first link. Once you are there, scroll down and find Download Windows 11 Disk Image section. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition from the drop-down menu. Click on Download and choose your product language. Before downloading, make sure to select the correct language that matches your current Windows setup. To see what language you are currently using, go to Time and Language in PC Settings. From there, you are going to see your language there. In my case, it is English United States, so match this language when downloading the ISO to avoid compatibility issues. Click 64-bit download. The ISO file is about 7.2 gig, so be patient as it downloads. Once it is ready, locate the file, right-click and select Mount. After mounting it, it will appear as a new drive, for example drive E. Make sure to note your drive letter. Next, open the command prompt as administrator. This is very important because without administrator rights, the command won't work. Type your drive letter with colon and hit enter. I will type E with colon and hit enter. Next, type dir to display the content of the mounted ISO and hit enter. Type cd space sources to change the directory of the ISO and hit enter. Now type this command, setup prep.exe space / product server and hit enter to bring up the Windows setup box. So right now, check this box here. I want to help make the installation better. Click on change how the setup download update. Select not right now and click on next. The setup will start checking your PC if it meets the Windows 11 system requirements. So you can see we have successfully bypassed Windows 11 requirements with this method. Just click on accept. You can choose what to keep files, settings and apps and click on next. It says ready to install. Click on install now. Let the system upgrade to Windows 11. Sit back and relax. The process may take some time. Once it is done, your system will reboot and you have successfully installed Windows 11 operating system without a USB drive. If I right-click on my Windows icon and select system, if I scroll down, you can clearly see here 25H2. And that is it guys. You have now learned the easiest way to upgrade to Windows 11 without any hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Ramfield's Tech, and share this video with anyone who needs it. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.